Good morning. Follow me to the kitchen as we prepare a tasty Creole breakfast. You will need parsley, thyme, lime, sweet peppers, onion, tomato, avocado, not forgetting our eggs and Goya sazon. My favorite seasoned peppers, green and semi-ripe plantains, and 2 juicy hot dogs. Now let us prep our plantains. I have a video coming up on how to prepare and cook your plantains for fritai. Check it out. Now let's give our plantains a quick wash. Let it boil on medium heat for about 30 minutes. No crying now as we peel and slice our onions. Chef in the house. Presenting our juicy tomato. Cut to perfection. Come on. Plated with grace. And there you have it. Beautiful, isn't it? Guys, listen up. In the Creole cuisine, we do not, I repeat, we do not leave that little white membrane. Take a close look. That white membrane, yes. Do you see it? We do not leave that in our eggs. As they say, li fezea senti di. That little white membrane makes your egg smell rank. So, guys, remove it. I repeat, remove that little white membrane from your egg, or else you'll get the weirdest looks across the room if you cook that egg. Now we're going in with half a teaspoon of black pepper, salt, and Goya sazon. Half a teaspoon of hot sauce, yes, and our secret weapon right here. A tablespoon of lime juice brings a fresh, bold flavor to your eggs. You got to try this. Now go ahead and whisk your eggs. Yes, I use a fork, guys. I use a fork. Go ahead and put those muscles to work and whisk that egg. Let's check up on our plantains. They're almost ready. Simmer on low heat all chopped vegetables, including the hot dogs. Simmer until your vegetables are transparent. Now go ahead and pour in that egg. Pour in that egg. Look at that. Let it cook down, guys. Let it cook down. No. It's not ready. It is still bubbling. If you look closely, it is still cooking. Peeling our plantain, look how easy that comes off. Now use a knife and scrape off the excess. Here you go. Go ahead and cut it into this beautiful style. Peel and cut your avocado into thick slices. Time to prepare our drinks. We have some freshly squeezed orange juice. Give that special someone in your life their daily dose of vitamin C. On Mother's Day, on Father's Day or even on their birthday. Do you guys know what this is? Yes, it's a coffee maker. In Creole, we say cafetiere. A tutorial video on how to use it coming up soon. Ah, the refreshing lemongrass. Lemongrass bush tea is a rich source of antioxidants. It reduces blood pressure, aids in weight loss, stomach ache, cough, fever. So this is a very, very good plant to have at home, and it is very easy to grow. Tutorial on lemongrass coming up soon. Dice up a watermelon and pineapple fruit bowl for your special one. Wake up your loved one to this tasty Creole breakfast in bed. Yes, 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 they deserve it. Show them your love by presenting them this beautiful plate. Hope you enjoy.